This cake tastes like rasmalai. It is soft, it is sweet, it is creamy. You will love it. Let us make an eggless rasmalai cake together. I will show you every single step in this journey. I will give you the exact measurements needed for success. I will also share some of my pro baking tips. Pro secrets that turn a good cake into an unforgettable one. Forget any past baking failures you might have had. This recipe is designed to be foolproof. A no-fail method bringing rasmalai into cake form. You are about to create something truly special. More than just a dessert, a celebration on a plate. It combines the soft, spongy texture of a classic cake with rich flavors, milky notes, aromatic spices. Imagine a moist cake soaked in fragrant cardamom syrup, layered with luscious, saffron-infused cream. Perfect for festivals, birthdays, any occasion that needs a show-stopping sweet. A modern twist on a classic that will surprise and delight. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity and accessibility. Completely eggless, everyone can enjoy it. Eggless baking is all about balance. We use yogurt and a touch of lemon juice to react with our leavening agents for a soft, light crumb. Each component, cake, syrup, cream, works in perfect harmony. Tie your apron and get ready. We are about to fill your kitchen with amazing aromas. Our journey begins with preparation. Success starts before the first ingredient is measured. Preheat. Prepare your cake tin and feel confident. Before we begin our baking adventure, we must gather our tools and ingredients. Having everything measured and ready is called mise en place. It makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Cake dry, 200 grind, about 1-3 cups, all-purpose flour, 2 TSP baking powder, 1 to 2 TSP baking soda, 1 to 4 TSP salt, cake wet, 100 grams soft unsalted butter, 70 BSP, or 100 ml neutral oil, 1 to 2 cup, 150 grams sugar, 3 to 4 cup, 180 gram yogurt, 3 to 4 cup, 60 ml milk, 1 to 4 cup, 1 TSP vanilla, 1 TSP lemon juice. Optional, pinch yellow food color. Syrup, 100 grams sugar, 1.2 cup, 100 ml water, 1-2 cup, 4 lightly crushed cardamom pods, 1 TSP rose water. Optional. This syrup is key to moisture and flavor. Cream base, 800 ml full-fat milk, 60 gram sugar, 1/4 cup, 20 gram corn flour, 2 TBSP, mixed with 40 ml cold milk, pinch saffron in 1 TBSP warm milk, 1-2 TSP cardamom powder, ras elements, 150 grams sweetened ricotta or crumbled paneer or small rasmalai pieces, fold in 120 ml lightly whipped cream, 1-2 cup. Garnish, chorru, TBSP sliced pistachios, 1 TBSP sliced almonds, dried rose petals. Tools, 8-inch, 20 cm, round cake tin, electric mixer or whisk, saucepan, spatula, baking paper, cooling rack. With everything in place, you are now ready to create magic. Preheat to 175 degrees, 350 days. Grease an 8-inch tin and line the base with baking paper for easy release. Sift, 200 grain flour, 2 TSP baking powder, 1-2 TSP baking soda, 1-4 TSP salt to aerate and remove lumps. Beat 100 grain soft butter with 150 grain sugar until light and fluffy. If using oil, whisk oil and sugar until glossy. Add 180 gram yogurt and 60 melanarts milk. Beat until smooth. Curdled look is normal. Keep mixing until uniform. Mix in 1 TSP vanilla and 1 TSP lemon juice. Fold the sifted dries into the wet in 2 to 3 batches. Use gentle bottom-up motions to avoid overmixing. Stop when no dry streaks remain. Optional, a tiny pinch of yellow color for a delicate hue. Pour batter into the prepared tin and smooth the top. Tap 2-3 times to release large air bubbles. Place on the center rack. Bake 28 to 32 minutes. Start checking at 28. A toothpick should come out clean or with a few moist crumbs. Wet batter means a few minutes more. Cool in the tin 10 minutes, then turn out onto a rack to cool completely. Great. The foundation is ready. For chashni, 100 gram sugar, 100 ml water, 4 lightly crushed cardamom pods. Bring to a rolling boil, stir to dissolve, then simmer 3 to 4 minutes until it lightly coats a spoon. Turn off heat. Stir in 1 tsp rose water if using. Cool to warm for brushing. In a heavy pan, bring 800 ml full-fat milk to a gentle boil, then simmer. Add 60 grams sugar and saffron milk. Stir to dissolve. Whisk 20 grams corn flour with 40 ml cold milk until lump-free. Stream into hot milk while stirring constantly. Cook 3 to 5 minutes to a coat-the-spoon consistency. Stir in 1-2 tsp cardamom powder. Remove from heat. Cool completely to room temp. Gently fold 150 grams sweetened ricotta or finely crumbled paneer or small rasmalai pieces. Then 120 ml lightly whipped cream. Chill 15 to 20 minutes to lightly firm. Chill it. If domed, trim flat. Slice horizontally. Place the bottom layer on your plate or stand. Brush 40-50 ml, 3-4 tbsp. Warm syrup over the cut surface, right to the edges. Spoon about half the rasmalai cream and spread evenly. Optional. Add small rasmalai pieces or extra fine paneer for texture. Place the second layer on top. Gently press. Lightly brush 20-30 ml syrup over the top. Spread remaining cream on top. Optionally apply a thin, semi-naked coat around the sides. Smooth the top. Chill at least 1 to 2 hours so flavors meld and the cream sets. Let it rest. Tip 1. Do not overmix. When wet meets dry, gluten forms. Fold gently and stop as soon as combined. Tip 2. Use fresh baking powder and baking soda. Old leaveners cause flat, dense cakes. Test by fizzing in hot water. Yogurt adds moisture, fat, and acidity for tender crumb. Use full-fat, room-temperature dairy and milk. If the top browns too quickly, tent with foil near the end. Cream should be thick and creamy, not stiff, not runny. Cook the corn flour mixture gently until it coats a spoon. Too runny? Cook longer. Too thick? After cooling, whisk in a splash of cold milk. Use good saffron soaked in warm milk. Freshly ground cardamom is more fragrant than old powder. Make the cream a day ahead to deepen flavor. A well-chilled cake tastes better and slices cleanly. Before serving, generously sprinkle sliced pistachios and almonds. Scatter a few dried rose petals for elegance. Dip a long knife in hot water, wipe dry, and cut. This prevents cream smears and shows distinct layers. Serve chilled, with a spoonful of extra raspberry or a few rasmalai pieces on the side. Dry cake. Bake less or soak more. Dense cake? Avoid overmixing and use fresh leaveners. Runny cream? Cook longer. Let corn flour activate.